everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about chapter factorization. This chapter belongs to grade 8 children, NCERT or state board syllabus. Before going to the question, I will explain you what is factorization. Factorization is nothing but what? Factorization. Factorization is nothing but splitting the given polynomial or algebraic expression or dividing the given polynomial or algebraic expression into factors. Okay. See here, for example, I will take one number 18. What are the factors of 18? From one table we will divide. 1 8 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 3 6 18, next 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18, continue. Already it is continuing, so leave it. What are the factors here? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are all the factors. See here, if you observe, we are dividing 18 into as a product of two numbers. We are dividing 18 as a product of two numbers. Okay, that means we are dividing the given number into 2. Or you can divide into any 3 factors also. Okay, these are factors. Same like this, here we are dividing a numerical value, a number. But in factorization in algebraic expressions, we will divide an algebraic expression or a polynomial into factors. Okay, for example, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is an algebraic expression. We will divide this algebraic expression into product of two factors. How? See here, what is this is an algebraic identity, you know? Identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Okay. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means you can write it as a product of a plus b into a plus b. Why? Because a plus b repeating 2 times. So, we can write a plus b whole square as a plus b into a plus b. If you observe this algebraic identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square is divided into a product of two factors. That means a plus b is a factor of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and another a plus b is also a factor of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means by this what did we understood? If a polynomial or an algebraic expression is divided into a product of any two factors or any other components, then we will call it as factorization. Here a plus b and a plus b, that means a plus b whole square is a factors of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Understood, ma? Same like that. If we do factorization, if we find the product of these two, that means product means multiplication. After multiplication, you will get answer. That is called the product. I am finding the product of these two. A plus b into a plus b. I am finding the product. Say a into a plus b. You must multiply a with a plus b. A into a plus b plus b into total a plus b. A plus b. See here, a into a is a square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is ab or ba plus into plus is plus a b into b is b square. See here, a square, how many ab's are there? 2ab plus 2ab plus b square. See here children, if you observe, I am taking these factors, I am finding the product, you are getting this result. This is equal to this algebraic expression. That means if you find a product of any algebraic expression or a polynomial, that must be after finding the product also, you must get that polynomial only. Then those two are called the factors of that polynomial or algebraic expression. All of you understood? That means algebraic factorization means splitting the given polynomial or dividing the given polynomial into different terms or components. All of you understood? Dividing the given polynomial or breaking the polynomial or an algebraic expression as a factors is called a factorization. All of you understood, ma? They will give an algebraic expression. You must break it. Breaking in the sense, you must find the factors. Okay. Now we will go to the exercise. I will explain you in a detailed way. Okay. So it will be easy for you to do the sums. Okay. What is the first question? See here, what is the given question? Factorize the following expression. They asked you to factorize the following expression. That means they has given an algebraic expressions here, different algebraic expressions. They told to break it as a factors. Okay, how we will do? First of all, first question, a square plus 8a plus 16. While you are finding the factors, if three terms are there, means compulsory you must compare with the algebraic identity ma. Main all plus are there means you must compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. If it matches, then you can apply that formula. Understood ma? We will compare. First of all, before finding a factors, first term and last term. You must check first term and last term. Are the perfect squares or not? Okay. If they are perfect squares, then you will check middle term. You must check middle term. Okay. What is the first term? See here, first two questions I will write clearly. In the next question I will skip the steps. Okay. First term. What is the first term? A square. A square you can write it as a whole square. Isn't it? This is a perfect square. Next, last term, third term, last term. What is last term? 16. 16 you can write it as a perfect square. How? As a product of the same numbers. 4, 4, 16. That means you can write it as 4 whole square. If you can write only, you must proceed in this procedure. Otherwise, we should do in another method. Okay. See here, last term is 16. 16 you can write it as 4 whole square. That means we can apply. We will check middle term also. Middle term. What is middle term? Middle term is in the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square term is matching. Last term b square term is matching. Middle term 2ab term we will think. 2ab. See what is the middle term? 8a. You can write this in the form of 2ab or not, we'll check. 2ab. This is a. We are comparing with a plus b whole square formula no more. That's why this will be a. This will be b. A. 2ab. 2. A means how much? A only. B means how much? 4. Okay. Now you multiply. 2 into 4 is 8. 8a. See here? That matches middle term. So, this is a square term. This is b square term. This is 2ab term. Now we can compare these all terms with a plus b whole square formula, no? Okay. So, comparing the above terms by a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Okay. Here, what is a ma? Here a is equal to, in the place of a, what is there? In the place of a, what is there? A only is there. B is equal to, in the place of b, that means in the place of b, last term, what is there? 4 is there. So, what is the formula? What is the formula? A square plus 8a plus 16 equal to a plus b whole square. A means how much? A only. Plus b means how much? 4. Substitute here, whole square. So, a plus b 4 whole square you can write it as a plus 4 into, sorry, a plus 4 whole square you can write it as a plus 4 into a plus 4. All of you understood? You must compare the given algebraic expression with the formula. 3 terms are there. That means you can compare with a square plus 2ab plus b square. If minus is there, compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. All the terms should match this. Okay. First term is a square. A square you can write it as a whole square. Last term is 16. 16 you can write it as 4 4 16. What is the square root of 16? 4 4s. 4 is the square root. You can write as 4 whole square. 4 whole square 16. So, perfect squares those are. Now you must match with the middle term. 2ab term. In the formula 2ab. You must write 8a in the form of 2ab. 2 into a means how much here a, b means how much here 4. Okay. 2 4s 8. 8a. It also matches. So, you can apply the formula. What is the formula? A plus b whole square. A in the sense, what is A? Here A. Here A. B means what? 4. 4. That's all. Okay, very easy, Nana. Now, what is the second one? Second one is p square minus 10p plus 25. Okay, now we will check whether first and last terms are matching or not. Okay, what is the first term? Or we will write in the word form. First term. What is the first term? P square. P square you can write it as p whole square. Okay. Last term. Last term. What is the last term? 25. What is the square root of 25? You can write as 5 whole square. Square root of 25 is 5. That means you can write 25 as 5 whole square. Okay. Now, middle term. What is middle term? In the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, middle term is 2ab. We must write this middle term in the form of 2ab. But here minus is there, no problem. A square minus 2ab formula we can apply. Okay? That means middle term is 10p. That means you must write 10p in the form of 2ab form. 2 into a is how much? P. Already we got. B means how much? 5. Now we will check whether this is matching 10p or not. 2 5 is 10. 10 into p is 10p. You got it. That means all the 3 terms are matching. So, what is the formula? Compare this formula, compare this equation with, expression with a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to b, b is equal to 5. So, a minus b whole square formula. Compare with a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula? A minus b whole square. Here, a is equal to how much in the place of a? P. B is equal to how much? 5. So, what is the question? P square minus 10p plus 25 is equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A means how much? P. Minus b means how much? 5 whole square. See, p minus 5 whole square you can write it as p minus 5 into p minus 5. So, these two are the factors of p square minus 10p plus 25. See here children, if you want to check, you can find the product of these two factors. Then you will get compulsory this answer. If you won't get this answer, you had a mistake. Okay, like that you can check. But this once you check, later you will have a confidence. Okay, what is the next question? Third one. 25 m square plus 30 m plus 9. This is the third question. Now, see here, first two questions I wrote so many steps. In the next question, no need to write all those steps. You must compare. First term, 25 m square, you can write it as, what is the square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5. What is the square root of m square? M. So you can write this one as 5m whole square. Now last term 9. What is the square root of 9? 3. So you can write this 9 as 3 whole square. Okay. Now compare with the middle term. In the formula 2ab. This one you must write in the form of 2ab. And you must check whether that is matching or not. What is the middle term? 30m. 2 into a means how much here? 5m. B means how much? 3. We will multiply. 2 5s 10. 10 3 is 30. 30m. See, both are equal. So, what formula we can apply here? You can compare this algebraic expression in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Okay. So, a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Is equal to a means how much more here? 5m. Plus b means how much? B means 3 whole square. This is the, so what are the factors? 5m plus 3 into 5m plus 3. These are the factors. These are the factors of the given algebraic expression. All of you understood now? Now we will go to fourth question. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Fourth one. 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. This is the question. Okay. Now you must do first. You must check first term and last term. 49y square. What is the square root of 49? 7. Okay. What is the square root of y square? Y. You can write it as 7y whole square. What is the last term? 36z square. What is the square root of 36? 6. What is the square root of z square? Z. You can write this one as 6z whole square. Next, what is the middle term? 84 yz. In what form you must have, ma? This must have in the form of 2ab. We will check. 2. A means how much? 7y. B means how much? 6z. Okay? Now you multiply and check. 2 7s 14. 14 6 84. Y into z is yz. 84 yz. See here. It is matching. So we can write in the form of a plus b whole square now. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. While you are writing the formula, applying the formula, here you must check the signs also now. Here sign plus all plus are there. So we can write a plus b whole square is equal to a means how much? 7y plus b means how much? 6z whole square. That's all. This is one more question. Okay? Next one. Fifth question. What is fifth question? 4x square. Here I write. 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay. What is the first term? 4x square. What is the square root of 4? 2. Square root of x square? X. You can write 4x square as 2x whole square. Now, last term 4. What is the square root of 4? 2. You can write 4 as 2 whole square. Middle term 8x. This one it must be in the form of 2ab. 2, a means how much? 2x. B means how much? 2. We will check. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. 8 is there, x is there. It is matching. Which form it is now? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here minus is there now. That's why you must check. You must write minus 2ab formula. Okay. What is the formula for a square minus 2ab plus b square? a minus b whole square. So you can write this one as a minus b whole square. What is a here? 2x minus b means 2 whole square. You can split it. 2x minus 2 whole square means 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 2. Okay? Like this. Next question. Sixth question. 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. Okay. Same model, no change in the question. Same model order. First term, 121 b square. What is the square root of 121? 11. What is the square root of b square? B whole square. Last term, 16c square. What is the square root of 16? 4. What is the square root of c square? C. C whole square. Understood now? Middle term, what term? 2ab form you must write. Minus is there, no need to write minus, later we will take. 2ab form. 2. A means how much? 11b. B means how much? 4c. Now we will check. 11 2 is 22. 22 4 is 88. 88 is there. BC is there. BC is there. So it is matching. What formula this is? A square. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can write, if you are getting confusion, means you can write. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square. A means how much? 11b minus, minus b means how much? 4c whole square. Okay, this we can split it. 11b minus 4c into 11b minus 4c. That's all. Okay, very easy, ma'am. Next one, seventh question. What is the question? L plus m whole square minus 4lm. This is the last question. See here, nothing to worry here. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply that formula. A square. A means how much? L. L square plus 2ab 2lm plus b square means m square minus 4lm. Okay? If you observe here, 2lm and 4lm both are like terms. Simplify those. L square, both are having opposite signs, means what should we do? Subtraction. Or plus into minus is minus, means subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number, what sign you are having? Minus. Minus 2lm plus m square. Okay? If you observe this one, L square you can write it as L whole square. Last term, m square you can write it as m whole square. Middle term, 2lm, you can write it as 2ab form. 2 into a means L, b means m. See here, 2lm, it is matching. So, this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the formula? A minus b whole square. A means how much? L minus b means how much? M whole square. Okay? Split it. L minus m into L minus m. Like this, we need to simplify. Nothing to worry, Nana. Factorization is not at all tough. If you understand the concept, you can solve big portion also. Okay? The next questions will be continued in the next video. I hope you understood well. If you want any other question to explain, you please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.